Okay, so the third measure of variability is the mean absolute deviation. The mean absolute deviation. I can't spell. Deviation. That's the MAD, the mean absolute deviation. And it's how much, on average, each item in the set differs from the mean. So the first step is that you've got to find the mean of the data set. The second step is that you have to find the difference of each data entry and the mean. Then you find the absolute value of each difference. Find the sum and divide by the total number of data entries. It's a lot until you do an example. It's not that horrible, I promise. So let's flip it over and let's do an example. All right, so here is our data set. And so the first thing that we're going to do is add these all together. So if we add 20 plus 15 plus 23 plus 7 plus 20, we will get a total of 85. And we have 5 pieces of data, so we're going to divide 85 by 5, and that gives us a mean of 17. Now that mean is important because we need to use it to find the difference here. So we're taking 20 minus 17 is equal to 3. 15 minus 17 is equal to negative 2. 23 minus 17 is equal to 6. 7 minus 17 is equal to negative 10. And then 20 minus 17 is equal to 3. So if we think back to our step 3, it's to find the absolute value. So this would give us 3 plus positive 2, because we're talking absolute value, plus 6 plus positive 10 plus 3. And if we add all of those values together, we get a total of 24. Well, now step 4 was to find the sum of the absolute values. Step 5 is to divide them by the total number of data entries. So once again, we have 5 data entries. So we've got 24 divided by 5. So 5 goes into 24 4 times. Carry down the 4. We're going to add in a 0 placeholder, and that's going to give us 4.8. 4.8 is the mean absolute deviation, meaning that on average, the data varies almost 5 points for each entry from the mean.